Hey guys, today we're back with another video. It is Gaming King, and today I'm here with two YouTubers that I know. One, my sister, The Machine. Say hi.
Hi.
And another one that you haven't seen before on this channel, Mark.
What's up, guys? We're gonna be doing a crossover today.
Crossover. 3 YouTubers. It's good enough. Yeah, and today we'll be doing a Nerf War. Not the Nerf. Well, Milena can't do it. She can watch, right? So we're gonna be shooting. Okay? So we have our guns, and it's gonna be capture the flag also.
Is this a rapid fire? Like, go.
Wait, I have to get the flags. Sorry, guys. We're still doing capture the flag. Oh, and we don't need to explain to them the rules. We know how to play.
No, in case they want to play at home.
True. So what you're supposed to do is, if you want to okay, you have to capture the flag, of course, and what you want to do is, you want to try and get the other person's flag, but if they hit your flag, you have to shoot them with a Nerf gun. If they try and get your flag, you can shoot them. But if you get shot, you have to walk over with your hand raised until... Nope. Not 2 whole days. And then we have to go...
I said 2 home base.
2 home base, and then touch this plant, and then you can go on. But if you need to reload, then you need to put your fist up like this. And then,
like so.
Yeah. Like that. And then once you're done reloading, you can just take your fist down. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to hide my flag first. I'm going to show you guys where it is. Mark is going to watch it, whatever. And see you later. Okay.
Let's go.
You go somewhere else. I need to hide.
You let's go.
Okay. I'll be hiding. Mark, go inside. Go inside.
I'm closing my eyes.
Fine. Okay, it's good enough, guys. Okay, no, go inside. I don't trust you.
No, I'm placing that stuff down. No, I'm gonna sit right there and look at that.
No.
Yes.
Just go inside, man.
You missed.
Go inside, please.
Okay, I'll go inside.
For the YouTube video.
Okay.
Okay, go inside, man.
And I'm gonna head inside, guys.
Yeah, he's gonna head inside. Watching him. Go, Mark. We don't have much time.
Go. No, how about we just stay outside for the whole video?
Close your
We
eyes.
just can't look.
Just close your eyes.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay. Because I'm gonna hide it in the grip. No, we have to let it see, so. See right here. Done. Mark, hold the camera. You'll go hide first.
So wait, do I hold it towards my face or not?
No, you hold it outside. You show where you show.
So like this?
Oh, wait a minute.
Hi guys, I'm hiding mine right now, so yeah. Here is my flag. Do not tell Luca where I'm hiding it. I'm gonna head inside to tell Luca that we are ready.
Okay, he hit it. So, I'll be holding the camera for this round. If he shoots me, we're gonna switch the camera, okay? Okay, so we're gonna be here and then we're gonna go. In 3, 2, wait, we're gonna count to 15. In 3, 2, 1, go! Guys, we gotta find it. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. He's somewhere. Where is he? He's over there. Come on. Where is he? I think he's over here right now. He's right there. He's right there. No! No! Free for all! Run! Man, I can't even reload with this hand like that. It hit you. What's your face? I just hit you. No, that counts it. Got him. Huh. Mark, switch camera. Reload, fist. I need to reload.
Yeah, I just reloaded like twice. So what I have to do is touch home plate. And Luca's right there, and wait for him to reload. Let's go, we gotta find Luca. Oh, he's right there. Yeet.
Thank subscribe to Mark. T-S-O-N. I said your last name. I said your last name. I said your last name because I need to find your channel.
Okay.
Yeah, he doesn't like being called like that.
Don't forget to subscribe to mine and Gaming King's channel.
Yeah.
And give this video at least 100 likes.
At least 100 likes, guys.
Probably more.
Hopefully. Okay.
Way more.
Okay, we're just gonna play right now. How am I gonna put the phone? No. When? I have an idea.
Oh, yeah, no, put it on the road.
Okay, but I'm just gonna put my phone. No.
If I hit you, I'm holding it down like that.
No, you won't. No, you won't. Because I never asked. Because I never said start.
I said if I hit you, the game starts. That's what
You can't see it. Wait a minute now.
Can you see it? Wait. Can you see the word?
Yeah, I see the whole thing. Okay. Oh, we gotta do it quick. Come on, let's just go.
Oh yeah, I see.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. Game. Go. Oh, you have a
Okay, you ready? Watch out. Okay, guys, that's where we're gonna end the video.
That's how we're gonna end the video, and make sure you love the video and subscribe.
Yep. And I'll see you in the next video.